Hi guys, this is Shweta and we are wrapping up day 3 at the GFF and it's been an
Intense.
Amazing.
incredible, most exciting, electric,
Great. Amazing.
amazing.
A crazy experience.
Okay, so basically it's all about questions are all about AI in BFSI. So like what excites you most about this prospect, like AI in BFSI?
So it can have two parts. One is like, AI can bring out the fraud detections very well, and it can also give the prediction what is going on and how the trend is going.
Right.
So this is how the AI can help the banking and BFSI sector.
We have met BFSI's biggest and most innovative minds and see, let's have a view of our booth. We've had a chance to showcase our voice bots and the visitors have really connected with what we've had to show.
Our booth saw a lot of traction, a lot of people came to it. We had a contest where we were asking people to guess if the recording is a human or a AI.
And once they were playing the contest, they had a lot of fun. They heard different voices, some of them weren't able to make out if it was an AI or a human, which kind of played out in our favor.
The responses that we have got regarding this is great. Thousands of people came to our booth, they attended it, they listened to the voice agent.
I hope people who went or came to our booth had a really amazing experience while testing out how our bots are working and why we call ourselves the largest scale voice AI agents building for Bharat.
We're very excited that to onboard many people. I think I've spoken to multiple brands.
Very confident that we are creating the best product out there.
The last 2 days have been incredible. We've had amazing conversations.
Met a lot of founders, lot of CX leaders looking to automate their processes using AI.
Right. And would you buy insurance or maybe a loan from a bot? If a bot is telling you, would you try?
I might. It depends, how it comes across.
Right.
But eventually, I think we will be buying from them.
Great. That's great.
I'm open to the possibility. Yeah.
Great. So you work in RBL Bank. What are some of the challenges you think customers face? Like what are the biggest challenges in customer experience and how do you think maybe AI can solve it?
See, many times customer face challenges while reaching out to the right, maybe
The
point of contact,
Right.
right customer service agent. Okay, and when the customer service agent is talking to the customer, maybe he has a issue with the credit card. So call went to the credit card department, but he has another issue with it's a screen card.
Looping you in.
Right. So he said, okay, now you've solved my problem, or maybe you've given some alternative for the credit card. Now I have a solution problem with this loan also, or something also. Now this guy will have no clue, right? So AI, if AI is listening to those conversations, and if the AI can throw the answer, right? Maybe he can handle, may not be really perfectly, but at some level of
Yes. What excites you most about AI in the BFSI industry?
It is saving your time, so
Obviously. Smart answer. Okay. The second one is that what are your biggest CX challenges maybe in your company?
I think customer digitally are hesitating on what to make a payment. So risk is something or fraud is something like that.
Yes, that's actually a very valid point. Okay. So the third one is that do you trust an AI agent to sell you a credit card or loan?
Partially, yes, partially.
Okay. Have you taken one before? No. Okay, thank you. If you could solve one CX pain point with AI today, what would it be?
So customer satisfaction is the most important thing for any industry. So if we can get something which can be solved through AI, we will definitely go. And we are trying to evolve in our day-to-day work right now.
I'm Suraj Sharma. I'm head product for Agri and Rural Banking, DCB Bank.
Okay, great. So, just 2 quick questions. So, my first question would be, what does AI in CX mean for you?
For me is automation, which helped me in day-to-day activity, easing out day-to-day activity like onboarding of the customer service, and to some extent for correction.
We got a chance to present, thanks to the RBI Innovation Forum, that we were able to present to several banks directly. Many of them are customers already. We were selected for a exclusive event with HDFC also to present to their leadership team. So very happy to see that. I had a great panel discussion today morning discussing about architecture of leveraging GenAI in fintech. That was amazing also. So and we've had like such fun networking parties, and so yeah, so really can't complain. I think it was an amazing event, and really enjoyed it.
On my count, 1, 2, 3, go.
So Swatchtech is very excited to be back here again. So